When we explore our solar system, two planets that stand out for their extreme differences are Mercury and Earth. At first glance, both are rocky planets, but when we look deeper, we discover that they are completely different worlds. From size and temperature to atmosphere and the possibility of life, Mercury and Earth are like opposites in many ways. First, let's talk about their position in the solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at a very short distance. Because of this, it completes one orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. On the other hand, Earth is the third planet from the Sun and takes 365 days to complete one full orbit. This difference in distance plays a huge role in shaping the conditions on both planets. One of the biggest differences between Mercury and Earth is their size and gravity. Mercury is much smaller than Earth. In fact, its diameter is only about 4,880 kilometers, while Earth's diameter is about 12,742 kilometers. This makes Earth more than twice as large as Mercury. Because of its smaller size, Mercury has weaker gravity. If you were standing on Mercury, you would weigh much less than you do on Earth. Earth's stronger gravity helps it hold on to its atmosphere and supports life. Speaking of atmosphere, this is where the difference becomes even more dramatic. Earth has a thick and protective atmosphere made mostly of nitrogen and oxygen. This atmosphere not only provides the air we breathe, but also protects us from harmful radiation and helps regulate temperature. Mercury, however, has almost no atmosphere. It only has a very thin layer of gases known as an exosphere, which cannot trap heat or protect the planet. Because of this, Mercury is exposed directly to the harsh environment of space. This leads us to another major difference: temperature. Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperatures in the entire solar system. During the day, temperatures can rise to around 430 degrees Celsius, while at night they can drop to negative 180 degrees Celsius. This huge variation happens because Mercury cannot retain heat due to its lack of atmosphere. Earth, in contrast, has a much more stable climate. Thanks to its atmosphere and distance from the Sun, temperatures on Earth are suitable for life, ranging from extremely cold in polar regions to warm and tropical areas, but never as extreme as Mercury. Another key difference is the presence of water. Earth is known as the blue planet because about 71% of its surface is covered with water. Oceans, rivers, and lakes are essential for life and play a major role in Earth's climate system. Mercury, on the other hand, is a dry and barren world. There is no liquid water on its surface. However, scientists have found evidence of frozen water ice in some of Mercury's polar regions, hidden in permanently shadowed craters. Still, this is nothing compared to the vast water systems on Earth. Now let's consider the possibility of life. Earth is the only known planet in the universe that supports life. It has the perfect combination of atmosphere, water, temperature, and protection from harmful radiation. Plants, animals, and humans all thrive here. Mercury, however, is completely uninhabitable. Its extreme heat, lack of air, and strong solar radiation make it impossible for life as we know it to exist there. Another interesting difference is their rotation and day length. Mercury has a very unusual rotation. It takes about 59 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but because of its orbital speed, one day, sunrise to sunrise on Mercury, lasts about 176 Earth days. That means a single day on Mercury is longer than its year. Earth, in comparison, rotates once every 24 hours, giving us a regular cycle of day and night that supports life and biological rhythms. The surface features of Mercury and Earth are also very different. Mercury's surface is covered with craters similar to the Moon. These craters were formed by meteoroids and have remained unchanged for billions of years due to the lack of weather and erosion. Earth, on the other hand, has a dynamic surface. It has mountains, valleys, oceans, and forests that are constantly changing due to weather, erosion, and tectonic activity. Earth's surface is alive and ever-changing, while Mercury's surface is old and mostly unchanged. Another important difference lies in their magnetic fields. Earth has a strong magnetic field that protects it from harmful solar winds and cosmic radiation. This magnetic shield is crucial for maintaining our atmosphere and protecting life. Mercury also has a magnetic field, but it is much weaker compared to Earth's. As a result, Mercury is less protected from solar radiation. Finally, let's look at their moons and satellites. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon, which plays an important role in stabilizing Earth's rotation and influencing tides. Mercury, however, has no moons at all. This makes Earth more complex in terms of gravitational interactions and environmental stability. In conclusion, while both Mercury and Earth are rocky planets in the same solar system, they are vastly different in almost every way. Mercury is a small, hot, airless world with extreme temperatures and no life. Earth, on the other hand, is a vibrant and life-supporting planet with a rich atmosphere, stable climate, and abundant water. These differences highlight how unique and special Earth is in the vast universe. Understanding these contrasts not only helps us learn more about our solar system, but also reminds us how precious our home planet truly is.